Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have updated titles, meta descriptions, URL or keyword on your Lovable website, but Google still shows the old SEO, missing snippets or no change at all, don't panic. In Lovable 2026, SEO not updating is usually caused by not publishing after edits, caching, indexing issues, duplicate settings, or Google site delays. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to fix or SEO not updating in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common SEO not updating symptoms, like old page title still appears on Google, meta description doesn't change, URLs like updated but Google shows the old one, pages indexed but rankings unchanged, SEO looks correct in editor, not on search results. So first step, save and publish after SEO changes. So this is the most common fix. So SEO edits don't do nothing unless published. So click save, then click publish or update website. Okay, so wait for publish confirmation. SEO changes are never live until published. Okay, so confirm you edited the correct page SEO. So it's easily to edit the wrong page. So open the page in the editor, go to page settings, SEO, confirm, page title, meta description, URL flag, global SEO, the opposite of page SEO. So both must be correct. Okay, so check for duplicates SEO overrate. So Lovable allows SEO at multiple levels. Check site settings or check page settings. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.